Best diet plan for weight loss. Introduction. Importance of diet in weight loss. Diet plays a critical role in weight loss, influencing overall health and well-being. While exercise is essential for maintaining a healthy body, what we eat has a more significant impact on weight loss. Proper nutrition helps in reducing body fat, preserving muscle mass, and maintaining metabolic health. A well-balanced diet can prevent chronic diseases, boost energy levels, and improve mental clarity. Overview of popular diet plans. Numerous diet plans claim to aid weight loss, each with its unique approach. Popular diets include the ketogenic diet, Mediterranean diet, vegan diet, and intermittent fasting. Each diet has its principles, benefits, and potential drawbacks. Understanding these plans can help individuals choose the most suitable one for their needs and preferences. Setting realistic goals. Setting achievable weight loss goals is crucial for long-term success. Unrealistic expectations can lead to frustration and abandonment of the diet plan. It's essential to set specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals. Gradual weight loss, typically 1 to 2 pounds per week, is considered safe and sustainable. Understanding weight loss. The science of weight loss, calories in versus calories out. Weight loss fundamentally depends on creating a calorie deficit, where the calories burned exceed the calories consumed. This can be achieved by reducing caloric intake, increasing physical activity, or a combination of both. Understanding and managing calorie intake is crucial for effective weight loss. Role of metabolism. Metabolism encompasses all the chemical processes that occur within the body to maintain life. Basal metabolic rate, BMR, is the number of calories required to keep the body functioning at rest. Factors such as age, sex, muscle mass, and genetics influence BMR. While metabolism naturally slows with age, regular physical activity and strength training can boost metabolic rate. Importance of exercise. Exercise is vital for weight loss as it helps burn calories, build muscle, and improve cardiovascular health. Combining aerobic exercises, e.g., running, cycling, with strength training, e.g., weightlifting, resistance exercises, yields the best results. Regular physical activity also improves mood, boosts energy levels, and enhances overall well-being. Components of a healthy diet. Macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates, the body's primary energy source, found in fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Choosing complex carbohydrates, e.g., whole grains, vegetables, over simple carbs, e.g., sugary foods, white bread, helps maintain steady energy levels and supports weight loss. Proteins, essential for building and repairing tissues. Proteins are found in meat, fish, dairy, legumes, and nuts. High-protein diets promote satiety, preserve muscle mass, and boost metabolism. Fats, necessary for hormone production and nutrient absorption. Fats should come from healthy sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats. Micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Micronutrients are vital for numerous bodily functions, including immunity, bone health, and energy production. A varied diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins ensures adequate intake of essential vitamins and minerals. Importance of hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and weight loss. Water helps regulate body temperature, aids digestion, and supports metabolic processes. Drinking water before meals can also promote satiety and reduce caloric intake. Popular diet plans for weight loss. Low-carb diets, e.g., ketogenic diet, Atkins diet. Low-carb diets reduce carbohydrate intake and emphasize protein and fat consumption. The ketogenic diet, for instance, induces ketosis, a state where the body burns fat for fuel. These diets can lead to rapid weight loss but may not be suitable for everyone due to their restrictive nature. Low-fat diets. Low-fat diets focus on reducing fat intake while maintaining a balance of carbohydrates and proteins. These diets can help reduce calorie intake and improve heart health. However, it's essential to choose healthy fats and avoid high-sugar, low-fat processed foods. Balanced diets, e.g., Mediterranean diet. Balanced diets emphasize a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. The Mediterranean diet, for example, promotes heart health and weight loss through a balanced approach. These diets are sustainable and provide long-term health benefits. Plant-based diets, e.g., vegan, vegetarian, plant-based diets exclude or minimize animal products, focusing on fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These diets are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and can aid weight loss while promoting overall health. Adequate protein intake should be ensured through plant-based sources. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Popular methods include the 16-8, 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of eating, and 5:2, eating normally for 5 days, restricting calories for 2 days, approaches. This diet can help reduce calorie intake and improve metabolic health. Detailed diet plans. Ketogenic diet. Principles: high-fat, moderate protein, low-carbohydrate diet inducing ketosis. Foods to eat: meat, fatty fish, eggs, butter, cream, cheese, nuts, seeds, healthy oils, low-carb vegetables. Foods to avoid: sugary foods, grains, starchy vegetables, fruit, beans, legumes, unhealthy fats. Sample meal plan. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with olive oil and feta cheese. Dinner: baked salmon with asparagus and a side of cauliflower rice. Snack: nuts and seeds. Mediterranean diet. Principles: emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Foods to eat: fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, olive oil, fish, poultry, dairy. Foods to avoid: processed foods, refined grains, added sugars, red meat, limited. Sample meal plan. Breakfast: Greek yogurt with berries and honey. Lunch: quinoa salad with chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, and olive oil. Dinner: grilled fish with steamed vegetables and a side of brown rice. Snack: hummus with carrot sticks. Vegan diet. Principles: excludes all animal products, focusing on plant-based foods. Foods to eat: fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, seeds. Foods to avoid: animal products, meat, dairy, eggs, processed foods. Sample meal plan. Breakfast: smoothie with spinach, banana, almond milk, and chia seeds. Lunch: lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread. Dinner: stir-fried tofu with mixed vegetables and quinoa. Snack: apple slices with almond butter. Intermittent fasting. Principles: alternates periods of eating and fasting to reduce calorie intake. Methods: 16/8, fast for 16 hours, eat during an 8-hour window. 5:2, eat normally for 5 days, restrict calories to 500 to 600 for 2 days. Sample meal plan, 16/8 method. Eating window, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Lunch: chicken and vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. Snack: Greek yogurt with berries. Dinner: baked tofu with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Fasting window, 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. water, herbal tea. Creating a personalized diet plan. Assessing your current diet. Keep a food diary for a week to understand your current eating habits. Note everything you eat and drink, including portion sizes. This will help identify areas for improvement and understand your caloric intake. Setting dietary goals. Set clear, realistic dietary goals based on your weight loss objectives. Focus on gradual changes and aim for a sustainable lifestyle rather than quick fixes. Planning balanced meals. Plan meals that include a balance of macronutrients and are rich in micronutrients. Use portion control to manage calorie intake and avoid overeating. Adjusting for dietary restrictions and preferences. Consider any dietary restrictions, e.g., allergies, intolerances, and personal preferences when creating your diet plan. Ensure that your diet is enjoyable and vary to maintain long-term adherence. Healthy eating tips. Portion control. Use smaller plates, bowls, and utensils to help control portion sizes. Be mindful of serving sizes and avoid second helpings. Eat slowly to give your body time to signal fullness. Mindful eating. Pay attention to hunger and satiety cues. Avoid distractions while eating, such as watching TV or using electronic devices. Chew food thoroughly and savor each bite. Reading nutrition labels. Learn to read and understand nutrition labels to make informed food choices. Pay attention to serving sizes, calories, and the amounts of fats, sugars, and sodium. Meal prepping. Prepare meals in advance to save time and ensure you have healthy options readily available. Batch cook and store meals in portion containers to simplify meal planning. Common challenges and solutions. Dealing with cravings. Identify triggers for cravings and find healthier alternatives. Stay hydrated, as thirst can sometimes be mistaken for hunger. Allow yourself occasional treats in moderation to prevent feelings of deprivation. Eating out in social situations. Research restaurant menus in advance and choose healthier options. Practice portion control and avoid high-calorie beverages. Communicate your dietary goals with friends and family to gain their support. Staying motivated. Track your progress and celebrate small victories. Surround yourself with supportive people and consider joining a weight loss group or finding a diet buddy. Keep your goals in mind and remind yourself of the reasons for your weight loss journey. Supplements and weight loss. Role of supplements. Supplements can support weight loss by filling nutritional gaps, boosting metabolism, and enhancing fat burning. However, they should not replace a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Popular supplements for weight loss. Protein supplements help preserve muscle mass and promote satiety. Fiber supplements aid digestion and keep you feeling full. Green tea extract may boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Garcinia cambogia claimed to reduce appetite and inhibit fat production. Safety and efficacy. Consult a healthcare professional before taking any supplements. Ensure they are safe, effective, and suitable for your individual needs. Avoid supplements with unrealistic claims or harmful ingredients. Success stories and testimonials. Real-life examples. Read about individuals who have successfully lost weight and maintained their results. Their stories can provide inspiration and practical tips for your own journey. Tips from successful dieters. Learn from the experiences of others who have achieved their weight loss goals. Common tips include staying consistent, finding enjoyable physical activities, and seeking support from others. Maintaining weight loss. Transitioning to a maintenance diet. Gradually increase caloric intake to a maintenance level while maintaining a balanced diet. Continue to practice portion control and mindful eating. Preventing weight regain. Stay active and continue regular exercise. Monitor your weight and adjust your diet as needed. Keep a food diary to stay accountable and avoid slipping back into old habits. Long-term healthy eating habits. Focus on long-term lifestyle changes rather than temporary diets. Make healthy eating a sustainable part of your daily routine. Stay informed about nutrition and continue to educate yourself on healthy eating practices. Conclusion. Recap of key points. Summarize the essential elements of a successful weight loss diet: balanced nutrition, portion control, regular physical activity, and staying hydrated. Emphasize the importance of setting realistic goals and maintaining a sustainable approach. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Ni655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.